friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Shopify. In the last video, we have retrieved the fulfillment order ID in the Shopify. Now in the current video, what we are going to learn, update the order fulfillment status using the Shopify API. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So we are going to update the order status, that is fulfillment status. Okay, so let's copy this one URL, go to the postman. Okay, so here we go with the not this one, just close this, hide this is the URL. So I'm going to add this URL. Okay, Shopify says token, so in the this one I have already added, so let's copy paste this in the headers. Okay, so here we go with this one, right? So now this is a post request, so here we require the fulfillment order ID. Let's try to paste it from the previous video. If you haven't watched, please go and watch it. So this is our fulfillment. Let me just drop this. So here we have the, but scroll down, fulfillment order ID. Just copy this and I'm going to use in this one. This is the post request, right? Just add this. Okay, so this is the order ID, and which order ID we are saying, checking this one 39. So here order is unfulfilled, right? So when I try to send this request, let's see what will happen. The order is fulfilled and the status is success. Okay, let's have a look what exactly it is. If I'm going to reload, it is fulfilled, right? It is, the status is changed. So this is how you can do with the API. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.